no mwihanga ryona.
AGACENCWIRE kireki bakora b'amashomero nebende nkambi y'amahe hihe n'amashomero okwehara abanyambondo muri Fort Portal na Kabarore.
I'm requesting the government and all the stakeholders concerned to place a strategic detach.
Omubaro gw'abiserwe omukutahirira kw'abanyambondo bahika 20 muri Kasese.
What I want to assure you, nobody is going to disrupt this peace.
President Yoweri Museveni yasiba naronda Karuro mu district ya Serere omuchange cha Teso.
In that manifesto, we have pointed out 7 contributions.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa Seagard Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera no tumusanzu musanzu ibiri. Mkaga na mkaga. Notina adal neitano.
Okusinzira kulanje ezenjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint. Ye lanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazi siringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisiwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gona mwihanga ryona.
AGACENCWIRE ombwejire okwetoro lihanga erizoba nubwabeji becha mushanju batandika ebuzo bya PROI kanda ha Bwambara City na district byakorerwa omusentaze zirukika igana 23 abeji abazire hamwe n'abakuru b'amashomero bashabwa okuratira ebiragiro kandi abeji babase kubahereze bikwato birukumara otireho nebyo kurya.
Abajecherwa ba Inebu Bwambara City na district batandika kugabe bigezo bya PROI okuzo mu mashomero shahemwe za Kasheshe.
Twina abana rukaga 10 rukaga kakaga 252 abana kakaga 252 nibo basitamire kandi twine sitting centers 9 kandi byona tubutebekanise abazire tubasima. The RDCs are in charge. They have mobilized whatever it takes. We have policemen who are moving with our distributors. The situation is largely under control.
Abazira ni mbashaba ukumuriza abana ukuganira nabo ubutaba stressinga kandi no kumakinga sure ngo mwana birukwetagisa byona byine ati nibenda seti nibenda obuchumu nibenda ekalamu rubber
twahikaho mashomero okureba ku byagenda.
My name is Tembire Mahashim here from Bishop Street Demonstration Primary School. I would like to advise all the candidates out there to be confident because these exams, they are what we have learned. Nothing that we have not learned is going to come in this exam.
Nyawe nimbahama siko kugira ngo ntukupafumingaje aho kuba abashomesa bitu bacumiseje
Kunka no feeling confident kataho paper okumanti date paper ne aburijo nka just now jantineruga Kampala.
N'abazire nabo batwire mukono twineka obi abana wikeje hwire mpaka barjiro mpiro in baza kubana barya special meal mbene turebe micishe yitu negumane yongera buri mwaka.
Erizoba abeji bakore kigezo cyo kubarana social studies kandi nyencha karemba zakore cha science na norujungu. Omuganda mu district ya Kamwenje okore buzo bya PROI kwatandikaje kandi abeje 15 babaye handikise kore buzo mu district eji.
Mwakuba abana biyongire twashitamisa abana 15 n'ikintu cy'urunonga ntubaza abazire abo kwecinchurika ngo urengo rw'abana bakurigera mu mashomero rondikendera.
St. Paul Primary School na Mirambe Primary School abarukura amashomeraga bagira ngo binamasiko mingi ngo abeji babone baza kushikira higuru.
Piro yo kuyatandika of course yatandikaje abakumi bigezo biza Kasheshe biziro mubwire kandi n'abantu babagaba ba distributors nabo babireta mubwire
abana bariho kandi ndabi namani abana tubashomise so nisenga abana baza gukora ibigezo byabo kurungishije
omuganda hono mu district ya Rubirizi bakuru b'amashomero bakera bari kwakira ebibuuzo kandi hagati ya shaishatu amashomero mingi gaba gatandikire kukora. Omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ebyobwegeso mu district ya Rubirizi yahamya kuba bakozere kirukumara kandi kwa ino bwesije ngo Rubirizi neija kurangana mu ihanga.
Tutekateka like last time we hear citizen municipalities twatulya bakana mu yanga ryona. This time tutekateka kuba nabo kubanza
konka itwe nkamongera primary school ite ture making sure ngo abana bito abasetinga kurungi twabashomesa twabahereza academics twabahereza icyo bari kwetaga
abashomesa bafiriye munonga kureba ngo abana bashoma abana bakora revision kumara syllabus bazikavaringa kucyari kare.
Abeje bari kwingane ku 2023 nibo bayihandikise kushitamire bigezo mu masenta 80 mu district ya Rubirizi. Abeji babanza n'ekigezo cyo kubara kandi baza kuhendera n'ecyo rujungu izuba ryanyenca kare. Amakuru agashaka Gideon Senyomo, Anthony Twine na Onesimus Ndianabo.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu bakuru b'amashomero ku rugo mu district ya Kabarore hamwe na Footpoto nibenda government ebase kutahe nkambi y'amahe hihinagamwe amashomero kandi garuce ebahereza abasirikare ba PDF okubasa kuma hamwe no kuma amashomero agare ompyangebyo.
Bakuru b'amashomero nibagira ngo kibire hahizo baryo rwa mukaga kirekera amashomero aga garya habunkenke no kutina kandi tugine bwerinzi okwihare kibireho abane benda government teke nkambi y'amahe aha amashomero aga gabire garumugaza kutahirwa kandi abandi nibende gahereze abakome b'amahe okwenda ngabe garya habwerinzi obwamani.
I'm requesting the government and all the stakeholders concerned to place a strategic detach to cover the area of Nyakasura School as a great institution, Kanonapolo also as a great institution, just as it was done for Kichwamba. Other schools which are also in a similar kind of setup, they also deserve such a kind of strategic deployment.
Basirikale okukuuma ekitundu kyaffe tufune permanent deployment ku institution day and night wabeerewo ki obukuumi obumala era abayizi badde mu nteekwa yaliko okusoma obulungi. Kijja tuyamba nnyo singa mu kitundu kyaffe wateekebwawo detach okukuuma emirembe mu kitundu kyaffe.
Babande nibenda gavumenti ebikyereze babase kwetungira embundu nk'amashomero okwenda ngo ebyokwerinda byabo babyekwateremu.
Would you place influence and have deployment of army or police, especially in boarding schools, as we organize to adjust our budgets and have armed personnel?
My thinking is that if government would allow schools to access guns, have access to guns, because personally I have been trying to access guns. I have private guns, but they are very, very expensive.
Abo kugamba ebi no baba baryo muri chiko barukubwabwanaho minister wa government zebyanga Victoria Businge Rusoke ahambuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore omuri Kitumba.
Njagala okwebaza honorable minister of state for local government mama w'abaana Rusoke n'okuyita meeting eno ya security oluvanyuma lw'ebyabaddewo mu kitundu kyaffe ekya Kalonapolo ne Nyakasula. Njagala okwebaza aba security agencies zaffe zonna mu Fort Portal ne Kabarore.
DPC wa Kabarore Pius Bihembo nagira ngo kutobukumi ahari buri ishomero kibasa kwija butabasika ngo kurekana bija kutahemiringo eibaraga kume kandi nemyanya ndijo nayo neja kutungo burinzi.
Serious threats we shall do it, but I cannot assure you that in every school we're going to put permanent deployment inside. The only thing we can do is beef up security outside, have mobile patrols 24/7 to ensure that you are safe.
The situation is under control thanks to our forces, the PDF and the police, and we therefore call upon the people to remain vigilant and cautious about the people whom they may not be able to identify properly.
Shweke bitali bimu kwegesa abantu mukaye kandi basemiye kwetwaza bata community semiye coordinating yeta na security kandi nabantu abakuta mu road block kuba advisinga ngo abantu baleke kubaita omuntu weno bakwata batakuneye bamuheyo mukabibyo kwinda basobole kusewuleza
rusoke yahamiza abakuraba ku government nemanyo kutina kubarumo kandi ngo barumo bakorana ministry yebyo kwerinda okureba ngo bahamye byo kwerinda omwanya ogo.
They are in an examination period. S4 exams are going on. S6 is about to start. PLE started today. And I want to thank them for their cooperation. Some of the matters they are proposing as government deploying an armed guard per school, I told them could be a long-term action.
Oghona yayongera yagira ngo mbwiro butara bwa hare nibaza kufitaho urukiko na district zone mucanga okureba ngo babasa okwehare kibireho.
What is happening here had happened in Kitagwenda some months back. People were attacked, killed, and we can't rule out that there might be a group planning in Kienjojo, planning in Kegwegwa, planning in Ntoroko.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.
Jonan Singwire bwanyuma y'abantu batakamanyirwe ebigenderwa byabo okutahira district ya Kasese hamwe na Bunyangabu hato mu district ya Kasese bahika abantu 19 barukufa abwo bufuta obwashikibweho abanyambundo.
Okumanyo mbaro gwabahika okurugomba nyambondo abatahirire district ya Kasese rwa Mukaga byagambwa babyo kwerinda omurikiko rwashitamo mu office za Hima Town Council mu district ya Kasese.
Currently, as we stand now, the number of people in custody are 40 people, including women. Yes, including women. The number of people put out of action, meaning those who lost life, are standing at 19.
Elfaz Muhindi or chairman wentebe yakatana habwa district age nagira ngo hari abantu abarye nyuma y'ekikorwa eki.
From a reliable source, they seem to be having some sponsors, even from outside Songora North, where majority of these people have been. But the operatives, having received some of these people that were arrested, they have got enough information, and the government is going to track them.
Lieutenant Joe Warusimbi or RDC wa Kasese omukugamba kwe nagira ngo bonka bebyo kwerinda tebarakoza kwikiriza abo bona abarukwenda kushisha obusinje omuri Kasese.
What I want to assure you, nobody is going to disrupt this peace. Hiyo hakuna haitakuwa. Hakuna haitakuwa. Make sure that you enjoy the peace. They follow. You have the capacity of doing everything. If you want to see that peace is paramount, in the 2 weeks back I was in DRC. You know there are some of your brothers there. They are very rich.
Honorable Godfrey Kabyango, Minister wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no kwaburi ihanga nagira ngo abisirwe babuzibwa bafumo kandi eki yakijumira.
Some of them are deceived by witch doctors. They are deceived by witch doctors, and they give them a lot of hope, and they leave their jobs and go into those barbaric acts. But we are going to intensify mobilization.
Minister yayongera yasima abatura ahabwo kukwatanisa n'abibyo kwerinda okureba ngo barwanisa batemaba.
I would also like to thank the Wanainji. The Wanainji this time are very, very vigilant, and they will not allow anybody to disturb their peace.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.
Gilbert President wihanga kando kwa sirebendera y'ekibine kya NRM yayanjurira abantu abaserere district ekibe kijire birungi eby'ekibina kya NRM kikorera abantu b'ekicweka ekyo.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekiro ky'eizoba yasiiba omuri Teso kando gwiyatandikira omu district ya Serere nabwa nyuma yaza omu district ya Soroti hamwe na Soroti City. chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM habw'ekyanga kya Teso Sub-Region Etwedo David Calvin yashobora district ya Serere hamwe n'ebyentunguuka yayo.
The issue of Nasari. Nasari is an institute which is benefiting both Teso and Karamoja, and the government needs to upgrade it and finance it. The other issue is that Serere is a fishing community and they are fishermen. There should be a review on the fishing policies.
We are ready to protect the gains so that the youth benefit. The other thing is, for the first time, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the government of Uganda is giving the fishermen 30 billion.
Nenjaga kakasa ino testimony okakasa abantu bakyakiriza mu government ya NRM, bakyakiriza mu program za NRM, bakyakiriza mu sente twazifuna so tukyagenda maaso okulaba tujja abantu mu bwavu.
Mukuru w'empanuro z'ishenjero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Anita Anet Among yashoborera ebintu by'entunguka byinje President Museveni akorire cyanga kya Teso akagitaha mapu.
We want to thank you for the peace. We want to thank you for the development that you brought. And also to reassure the people of Serere that the Serere District Hospital is in our NDP4 and it has been approved. The health center is going to be upgraded from health center 3 to health center 4.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga mu kugamba kwe yashoborera ngo akorire ebintu nyamwinja abantu b'ekicweka eki ebirimwenguto amarwariro amashomero hamwe n'entunguko mu bicweka ebi.
Contribution to Uganda is what you call in our language here Apple.
Ibore ni yare tiene pola kere ngesingine bala Apple arabona development.
Now Apple has got two parts.
Now akironwa development ejata ribori yare.
There's economic infrastructure.
Ejangun nu anyun eponelo aitalakare ejautele sao.
And social infrastructure.
Also the jautenelo itunga.
Economic infrastructure are the roads.
Munu ingara kineta nwai aita chane pole isao nisa kironi gudo apolo ne gudo.
The electricity.
Akibi na APA.
The telephones.
Isimun.
The railway.
Ipone ngole lo siagali.
The water.
Akipi.
These are all part of.
Munu kere ikamanara apolo.
Of economic infrastructure.
Aho na President Museveni bamushebe biconco bitaro bimwe na bimwe.
Ijala is putting me under house arrest.
Ijala is
putting me under house arrest.
Ota agwaikijala ekotijala ekamare polon.
That I must accept the cow he gave me.
Ekoto poloni ocham aijau na ina kine no poni jai kina ingesi.
People normally ask me for what I should give them. One of the few who said you must take from me.
Nelo se papa itunga keringi se bija itwere si diobore konye ne abunge se balijala be engora ijai kinijo.
Okuyamaririza nashaba abanya-Uganda okwega kwetandikira emirimo.
In that manifesto we have pointed out 7 contributions NRM has made to Uganda and is making to Uganda.
Temo ite pate enapeta kanyare nejasi tungalo Uganda.
The first contribution is Aikuch, peace.
Edopeta kere ngesi ainapakina.
Amakoraga gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza.
Webere Jimmy Muhumza twaza kumuraho twijene cweka icya kabiri.
Agarukurataho nagakushikibwaho
Movit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezibabo kukundeka mwana wanje ataba kuguba Movit bakabito mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limited ni tajeri kuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereke cya Christmas omwakogu ba member nabo kwenda kuba ba member mwena ekitereke cyatandikire ni 1214 byo ku 12 omwakogu
Omugarukurataho Robert Kyagulanyi wa National Unity Platform akaroroko bwa President yakarondero muri Butambara na Gomba.
agarukura taho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Movit nerwo mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazombane zibawe kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba Movit bakabito mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limited ni taje rukuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereje cya Christmas omwakogu ba member nabo kwenda kuba ba member mwena ekitereje cyatandikire ni 914 byo ku 12 omwakogu omatajaga.
Are you in panic? Or are you afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Mushanga Sako Limited ni taje rukuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereje cya Christmas omwakogu ba member nabo kwenda kuba ba member mwena ekitereje cyatandikire ni 914 byo ku 12 omwakogu omatajaga Kigarama branch, Wentuha branch, Shuku branch, Burere branch, St Kagwa branch, Kaboye branch, Chanjenyi branch, Butare branch, Marinde branch, Mbarara City branch hamwe ni taje lya Bwizibwera erukushangwa Mbarara district ebyo kusimbura vermente embuzi enkoko hamwe n'ebindi bingi tera noti 32 chenda nemwe noti 5 shanje namwe nitubendeza Christmas enungi hamwe no mwaka musya ogwe2026 ogwentunguka.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
Kurukubujwireje turupwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajweka abashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarikwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Stuart Trading Company Limited yakuretera kitaramo cha Mpengo ni fermented beverage 2025. Ekirukuiza kwata hasi na higuru okumara ebiro 3 2012 byokwezi ku 2025 chenjo jo mu chai 15 byokwezi ku 11 chegego mu chai 16 byokwezi ku 11 mubendo mu chai tizote utaferwa beshongozi bebemberwe David Rutalo MCs DJs okutaha mune 15 kandi no tunjira echupa ya Mpengo ni drink utaferwa kwangura ibihembo nka solar panels ebitereche bya Christmas amasimu t-shirts engofira Mpengo Champagne drink, empty, aprons, ekiteramo champagne fermented beverage
2025. Emyaka mingi ombazi gwito gwa mino gwa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up gubire no gutereza kurunja munonga kubasa kurinda mino no kwetantara kunuka kano na hati gumano kozesa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba ryona. AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karunja munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up dero oyongero kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga hichira za supermarkets na maduka gakuri hihi okwetoro rihanga ryona. AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up ni gombazi gonka ogwo kurinda mino gitu.
Manager ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabataka jiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
nawe pensiyo na nesente konga tanywire mbogo nyukushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje big thing kabode MTN super wali yakapya musite wali yakapya wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya vibe mpya then you kabode smartphone nebya kabiryonna wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone nebya kabiryonna
letungire kabode super esimu ya smartphone lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit y'emtware na networka lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10 nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi kiri yahariwe turi hamwe amashemerero gito tugine kizivira amateka n'ubushunshureke nibukuratirwa MTN nereberera Uganda Communications Commission.
Christmas bunyaruguru development sako yakuretera shitere Nyamurungi ahiburi wamwarije kwangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no kusevinga emyeze 3 kurga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 1225 otehireyo rere kirakomugisha go kutaho mukazano ko kwangura ebirabonye mwinji wasevinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemigabo miliyoni 2 neshweka notungo mugisha go kwangure wasevinga emitwara 5 nemigabo emitwara 5 notungo mugisha go kwangure wasevinga emitwara 25 nemigabo emitwara 25 notungo mugisha go kwangure nkoko shukari omucheri emigazi nebindi nibaharon za boda dairy school fees agriculture emergency home improvement water harvest commercial loans nebindi nibashangwa Nyakasharu bunyarugura head office kandi bine branch chambra Kitagwenda Ibanda Kagongo Kasese Katungu
ebiro bikurebi shemerwa n'abanya
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi n'abatabarusi yabona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena mw'imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cya Kenyonyi omu Dubai emiromo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju ina note 10.
Namakuru abatura becare cha Chempuno Nyamnyobwa omurika gonje Mbara district bagwererwa kagwegwa nyuma yo kushanga omutura mutahi wabo aferire omunju ofire ni Kansi Merozi obire natura omuri Chempuno ntura Nyamnyobwa omurika gonje Kashari
Kansime Laws ow'emyaka 37 y'obukuru okurugirira abahandiko bye ogwabire natura mu maduuka go mu Kyempunu Ntura omuri Nyaminyo bw'Akagongi kandi omuri Kasharnos omuri Mbarara district omutumbi gwe gwizire kurebwa munywani w'izoba rya nyumwebazyo omwazyo
nasangaga yayo mutakataba izona zirangire amadasagaranire nayanga nayeta umuntu yaba hanga abo kugira ngo umanyire kwizaha umutima gwagira ngo umadaka tenishomo hankansi katako zikarangi natambuka nari muretere so kugira tumbisho ganje ndeba kansime ari hansi hati ngibaza munjata namani kansime tanyeta
okurugirira abatura kansima kija kombeka enju ye yabire naturamu n'abana be babiri etakahwire bwanyuma yo kurugahera haceyo
akabaye n'umushija we biza batana biza yaza heru yakora akasendeke aho yandikira injiji abanye n'abana be kandi ariko barebera ariko bisaho mwena bakine shonga yona nko umuntu mweno stani no itahira kansima kafatira sitakumanya niki cyara muita
kansima tuyariyaho yayo aturaryakeyo kiya rigireyo yayombeka amakage hano mu Kyempunu Nyaminyobwa yantura yayombeka amakage nabaye ni business arukora ndene bwa nyuma tutumanyire icyo mwisire tukumanya icyo mwisire twamusanga umunzu ari yari nkayise ari yari hagati yenzu ye ari umunzu ari hafiri
umugenzi yasiga abana babiri kandi bona babire ne barara hishomero
nariza nangira ngumukamba kwenda konka nanta kumanya cyabo naza kwika nasanga mama yafa nanye nagwirwa ntakabu kandi mama no wabena ngorora kuricumu arikunsozora school fees
orukure by'ukucondoza polisi ya Rwind Assistant Inspector of Police Musinguzi Jackson yahumuriza abatura aba babashara mu kwenda kuziko mutumbi polisi etakizire
kandi kansimo bwafire n'umuntu wa government hati government nayo netaha mu kwenda kumanya ahabwe icyo umuntu oguyafa kandi mwe tumukucumanya kandi tukucumanya bategereza mbwenu nije hano itwe polisi tungira amakuru twiza kucondoza kumanya ikigenzero ikibiriho neza mbwenu umuntu oguntiza kumutwara mwirwaro abashaho mbija kumukebera mbagamba ikimwise
umubiro gw'umugenzi polisi yagutwara umukabafumbarara obwo kucondoza kuri kugenda mu misho nde Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE
Tugumisa munamakuru ko muringo gumwe go kurwana isibura ry'emirimo no kutomukora entekateka za government abazire bahigirwe okushagika abana babo okubasa kutungura emyuga y'emikono ebi bigambirwa ishomero rya Kamwenge Secondary and Vocational School district ni yemwe ya Kamwenge.
Regional President Omchanga hamwe n'abebembezi b'ebyobwegyese nibajanga abazaire baine okufayo aha kushomesa abaana baabo eby'emikono ekintu ekyakubasa kubahwera akutungura entaasya yaabo
nagira nti omwana nabasa kwebisaho oriho ningo utakozere ki otari niyo struggle y'omuzaire abayemerire munaronda school fees okuhereza omwana noba nonda ngo omwana aija yebiseho okiriho ningo utakozere ki ninga otakiriho
bya theory ondija somere bya practical timukayingana namweno omuntu yakwata enyundo hatiya akaza round about ondija akakwata degree ya social sciences akaza round about Kamwenje bakagera mu mareho ebiro bisatu mutakalire orabanza kurya noa owenyundo arabaza kubona enyiji azitere misimari owo kutera matafari arasa kutera matafari bamwesete
ebi bigambira hari Kamwenge Secondary and Vocational School obwo bari kuvuganaho abazaire n'ekigendererwa eky'okutema empenda okuba kubasa kutungura ebyobwegyese
ebihandiko byahwire byo koraki na kosi zo kwega ziryomu abakwenda kwega kubara kwega bwa secretary kwega bwa engineering kwega manyabiri nkahe kwega gukora bya plumbing kwega by'amashanyarazi ebyo byoneza koraki kandi aho kubyegera hakoze iki nibaza ko ababona baza kushora urukweza sini yakana nashora
JB ori yidi da aka wana rika idachika ni page chweka chayo da aka wana ya tareho akire JB from tailoring
namgeni cyo kuri hakitani kiregi training institute abapata bazatandika kwegeze bya plumbing abantu batandika kumanya kutasiya mizi majugabo
we principal education officer kurwa mustongore cy'ebyobwegese n'emisano ayorekere oku government etebekanise okushajika itendekere ry'emikono mu mwanya ogu nuko kushaba abazaire okworeka abana babo omuhanda ogwihikire
amasimu gakisha aho musiro wakwasa umwana we ayinesu umuci umwana w'umwishi akabaki akino murwije umucaka bashita muvubi na yedere bisha umucyuka neza hata muzira kayata umwana anje bishana kanaza kujarata kubiteka kare obo nese musikubahereza kandi mawuti kwina majwi tugishwiza ecende cyo mwana ci ari mucenje to kumenya byo najirata ebyaryo nakora
Makora gandi abazaire mu district ya Kamwenge bashabura kutamani omukushomesa abana aba nyensi yabo nonji ebibwambira mu district omurukiko rwokwetebekanisiza okujaguza emyaka 25 hishomere rya Biguri Secondary School
omwaka kwa 2025 twatunga independence omu Uganda twatwine population y'abantu miliyoni 6 obwakoze census eweye tuli aha miliyoni 86 omyaka obwingi bw'abantu bwa Uganda bweyongereho miliyoni zingahe akubyana konka sayizi y'itaka rya Uganda tekongeragaho na internet
Ogabika kumwana noda kumwichi banja nichakare kugamuyo ko mushoro iwe kwacha biguze mushashire umwana areza kushoba ututi ekibanje cyabose bokadarachi bokatswara
urukiko rurubeire rutebekanisiwe n'ekigendera ekyo kwetebekanisa okushaguza emyaka 25 erikwija kujagurizibwa omwaka ogurikwija aha ishomero rya Biguli Secondary School
wareba abana bito bakumuru grass ukareba national result ushobora hari secondary school ukareba abana bari kuzo mu university n'amategekeraga mu secondary school niyo ni jambo ngena neza ko yongera
nanabagambire bakashanguka Mwenje district ne yakabiro mu Uganda yona okurya kubi uro mwanya mwana gutwine baziremo umwanya gwa kabiro mu Uganda yona tusinjire mbwe nutwebembire mu kurya kubi
mwana wanje wasibota ma ndiyo shaniho ryota
gasha kwa Anthony Twin
Anthony abakristo mu district ya Bushenyi baragwerwe okorekeraho kwebwa ahibarukire
abakristo kabwo butebwa ahibarugire kubireho izoba rya nyumwazo akanisa yanchicumo cya Chovu Uganda eri kushango mu rugwentuha ubwo mushubuzi Moses aruho kituzi abira kwatanise nabeka yo kusima ruhanga ahabihire naho yabasya
munonga ahabo kuba nonoka no hamya omukago gwawe naruhanga kandi ono yoreka ngwe byo akwire byona umusimu ahabo ko umuntu kwakwereza omwebaza namwe no kusima ruhanga no tubantuye bazarhanga tumuhereza agiye byatwire kandi ko kumusima kongera
okusima kwabo kubireni kuzaha kombeke kansensia kanda miliyoni 502 babase kurundanaho ananina omukushaboku
cyo kubanza tubakaba turije kutunga ikirabo cya People's Choice Award abantu batorine nkabo bitabo gukora icyo kunywa kirungi umihanga ryona kandi twagaraka twatunga ikirabo cya East African Quality Award nicyo twashimirirwa hano cyo twantujya guza
twabantsima ruhanga ahabwa byone birunzi ebyatukorire na munonga ahabwo kwatanisiza hamwe nk'abakristayo banchicumo cya Chovu Uganda ahabwa bombeka ahabwo mu muhango kuturiyo ntukora nicyo nizira kureto muganda na family nkachituzi family
Kituzaije n'isaka gishaka atiyo yarabara bashubuzo kwe haro kore bicipuri ngwabo kuba sente zireka kubasingira amagara g'abantu.
Sente cyo kugira ngo tufokasinga sente is paper, sente ni paper konka kwarte ni hamagara kandi umuntu nagumarikira cyamwanzo munsi ito ntukundo kwangaza
nomenya okuza kuba n'abashubuza abandi tukubasa kubuwe bicipurunero kaba n'abantu ati embera ya kituzi nayo kugira ngo nakora ikishikire
kandi president tumutereka karuka ariyo naza kwishambara business community twera cyo kukikorwa mana cyangwa nuje kwitabara tukore ebintu kureba muzaniga
Umuganda gabushenyi abantu bacabujimbe mpango borekero kwerarikira ahanshonga yo kweyongera kwendwara ya misho na mnonge cyo cyo kukinga misho umuntu akahuma. Ebi abatura babugambirizo bari yanyumwazo babiri babuga nabashaka kurwa mu itendekero ya Makerere University ababire bari cyabujimbe.
Icyo kubanza akaho tiburwire mu contracting. It's an age related change. Nchibaho buro kujana kura. Akaho ko misho kagenda nkaba cloud mpora. So tino kutwasa keri.
Ubirwa misho nareba burya higuru umbantu bacabujimbi na munonga abe myaka yizanye yegenda nekura konka tujawe cyo naho imyaka y'ibini
okuragurira abantu abakubiye kutebekanishibwa ba Rotary Club of Bushenyi
kandi nito ta encouragingire abana baba Makerere University okureta aha medical campage bisha kuyamba abantu becweteji muno abatarukwebasa umuntu arastar zimwe na zimwe
izo banashemerwa reba kwatunga abana bitu aba university abo kwijo mu rwaruri kujya cyabwe center ko batereze mbazi indwara zine zona bazicebera batwe mbazi twata twaza kudimira amagara gitwaga ko mbuteka
ogugubira mu rundo rwo kubanza abeja babakujanja babatura ba Cyabujimbi amakuru agasha kwa Mike twakire na Abraham Muganzi
Webare okirinitwe omugacencire twaza kumuraho nitugaruka
Katochi yeino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugerizo babantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi yeino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi Eina chama chayo muhute katochi niyeja hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekugwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city ukumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga hata Itano, chenda na mwenda, ananeina, tina events. Nito tuanko muri burengero rw'izoba, abino buhereza bwo murembe. Nitwakira umuri rwambara suits umwanya gwo bugwaje no muteka umurimbarara city hati twigwireho conference hall iyo mutindo gwa higuru nibyo kwejinisa omunjiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no indo mwanya gwo gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni rwambara suits conference center twine bishenge byo kuraramo ibyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant
restaurant n'abashefu barunje munonga nitushangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mushanju noti 3 58 nshanju na mukaga 48 ninga noti mushanju 5 noti 1 3 nshanju 4
mazina ganje ni Agire Mbabazi Emmanuel gano ya Yamarembo Trading Center Chamunga kora n'amashanyarazi ga fresh solar tubikorire mu kumarubwire bwindi akube nyuma ho tukatine amashanyarazi turi kubona umurga uza kutegera hari kungatwiza fresh solar kuyizire twateka saruni
Mweniwe owa saruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora amagoba. Ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Ebiri kukiraho, tera, noti 8 noti, 3 5 mushanju, ngaga ni 5, eyabusha. Muzeyi kwa badomu rwa Katoli kundongozina.
Nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink. Kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati kakyebule. Mutobo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano.
Muzeyi kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple Chauda drink. Kakamuddwa mu nanasi.
Bojo.
Mutobo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye, naye nenfuno w'amaanyi. Utamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka. Langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Langi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Langi bwe bulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliitu ze tulina ku Global Paint, ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi. Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi. Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi. Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband. Komora chukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink. Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi. Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi, kireta amani masyo mu bashija hamwe n'abakazi. N'endijo migasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink. Otuntumure chubaro na stress. Echo kunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited. Chamibwa UNBS kandi churuho mbipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorora ihanga ryona. Okushubura no kumanya biri kuciraho 0702 15 81
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyambako embuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Kurugera kimwumbuji mu bwenshoza ankore Uganda ahi ensinembe honungi birukweza burujuma rw'umwani ekitarya handi burujuma n'uruhingwa no gwegendesereza kandi rushoromwa ry'abahingi kurinda itaka hamwe no kubaho bukogo ahara Ankore Coffee Producers Cooperative Union ACPCU nitweretera umwani gukarangirwe je gunozere gwinaka hoho komutindo haza guterekana isigweje kora biro metendere kere ukongera ibirungo byitunyamurungi abahingi n'eminyeto n'abahwerwa Ankore Coffee omunkora yo kutungura byaro nywa umwana umurungi ku 5 ogwa Ankore Coffee ugutafuhirirwe n'imibasi ugurukwamagara marungi kandi ogwara kusya kiroto cyawe buzimeki n'ikirungo cyitu cyo buhangwe cy'ikere kwenda kumenya bari kukeraho tera note 8 note 3 5 3
norondo mwanya aho bugwaje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa omuhereza burungi ubwo mutindo gwa higuru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umutindo kandi nitkora coffee ey'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi ahabara y'umutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubwo utakarebaga parking nemarira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahubwo kuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens z'umutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurira nkoryo mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke aruguto rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 20 nkaga ni 5 ninga noti 2 noti chenda nina chinana ne 2 25.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Night shift like a condo. He's stealing and robbing and Jonathan Walker he's destroying.
Vandalism is an offense punishable by up to 10 years in jail.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Zamu n'amakuru okwatire kigombe cha National Unity Platform ebendera omukarora ka President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu erizoba yashaba abantu ba Butambara hamwe na Gomba okumutorana ahantebe bwa President wa Uganda dera base kubasyo buhereza.
Campaign ya Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu okwatire kigombe cha nope bendera omukaroro ka President yabanza kugikorera hamuzigiti ogwache bibo mu Butambara aho yabashendekerezibwa mukazi we Babitungo Kyagulanyi kandi aba babanza kuteganisibwe bw'entambura ahabwa abantu binja baba bizara harwa reji. Kyagulanyi mu kugamba kwe hino butumwa obuyahereza mukuru w'akakiiko ka Electoral Commission Justice Simon Byabakama.
Njabbi bagamba busajja mwete musobola kungoba mu Buganda nze ndi muzukulu wa Buganda. Abana ba Buganda. Abana ba Buganda. Abana ba Buganda. Abana ba Buganda. Ekitusibye mu buddu kutwawula yawula nakozesa abamu ku bantu baffe. Museveni
oguyashaba abantu kwegita ekirabahwero kuzo mu karoro bakakasinga kandi nkubara mutorane naija kubakorra ebiremere.
Sente tuzina nyingi zigenda kola ki tetuli baavu ono bo mwanga kivumbi kyabagambye nti omulimo ogulina okukolebwa akakadde kamu bateekawo obukadde 10 ate ne gutakolebwa. buli mwaka batubbako trillioni ya sente namba. Buli lunaku olucha Museveni akozesa bilioni 2 ewuwe n'ebirala ebifaanana bwe bityo. So omulamwa gwa kampeyini eno gwali gwa kusiga kifaananyi bwe tujjako Museveni kubanga tugenda mujjako.
Kyagulanyi yahamza abanyabutambara ebyarukuza kubakorra ebirimu okurwanisa obwenguzi.
Bagula bangi kumwe mwajja ne mugamba ensonga nga togikutte nga munnabyabufuzi, nze siri munnabyabufuzi, nja kuzikwata nga munnauganda. Amini yabatanga na busi. Mu Uganda empya omuntu yenna okukwata ng'esente zirina okugula eddagala malwaliro nga gw'ozikutte n'ozeegabira.
Ogukuyarwa mu Rubutambara yazo muri Kanone Gomba naho yashaba abantu kumutorana abase kwebembera ihangeri.
Zagumza n'amakuru agebyemizano timu ya Uganda yabazana bajya hansi y'emyaka 17 yabojo ya Uganda Cube serizoba yasiebero bina eri kutendekwa chaye cha FIFA njeru barukwetebekanisiza impaka z'amahanga ga burengerwe izobe za Sekafa yazirukuza kuhindura muri Ethiopia okutandika n'ebiro 15 byo kwezoko.
It's been good. I can see much improvement since day one we started in terms of tactical discipline. You know, we've been developing or building them slowly and making sure that they get the right information so that can help them a lot. Like I said earlier on, we don't really have much time, so we're trying to focus on the main important areas and then try to help them understand the situation tactically. So it's going so well and the players are responding very well. It looks good. Some players have left, others have come in. We're trying to move players from out of position, put them in the right positions, and then some positions. We're trying to play with the positions that we feel can help the team to be very effective. And from where we are now, I believe we are on the right track and the boys are doing so well. We're taking it a day at a time, like I said earlier on, and I think the team is looking in shape.
Omugande agebyemizano y'empaka ezaalije amatendekero za universities yazanwa erizoba timu y'itendekero ya Kabale University yasingwe ya Mutesa Royal University na gorebire aryemwe omuzano gwazandwa omuri Kabale.
ni result ito atako expectinga konka wareba ko abana bazana tibazana kurunja munonga barya ba kabiri ruyare Mutesa Royal yani deserved win akonka ndateka ngo game zibire za sigara twaza kuri groupinga tureba turabasa kutereza making shangu twabona ubonero mukaga
nyenzo kubonero mwenda nembera n'entopinga ekibinja era naze ntopinzi kitegeeza tuze kikolerera ate tusuubira nti kujja kweyongera okola n'amaanyi tulabe nti no tweyongerayo paka ku lunaku olusembayo olw'enkomerero nga emipiira gino giggwa era tuli bamalirivu n'abasambi bange.
Amakuru agabyemizano nugo twinire kandi nugo gahendera gacencire tukusima munonga yogumire nitwe omumakuru gerizoba Nuwamanya Serena Sande Brian n'abandi abutwakora nabo tubendeze okurara kurungi.
eshaha za bishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Okumbereba nekushiwaho France Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri cyetengo cyawe cyona
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent z'ebike bindi byona akasente kensheko
program okumbireba embogo yeki cyo kunywa hati government echetwiri ekisemere kunywa kora nywe bindi ibyo ne byawo konka embogo wahora ni kumbucha na embogo mixture ejo ne kuterezo munda torogaraka korabo onto tare kintu cy'ukubustamana no monta omumbago karo omutoro cyo chumbuza tinenjoka enjoka bazire kada iwabo kino tambara nenjoka kadero omwami no mucyara tu omwami no mucyara nenjoka zaho zo munda nawe cyo omwami no mucyara Yohana mutembuzi na nenjoka zawo no nabo cyo gumo munywembogo dene one kubaje akacupa no mangu singira 10 zit nyamunegere yes Fresh Uganda namashazi gijoba kandi mu district zone za Western Uganda